Hello, welcome to this Airbnb Clone Ruby on Rails series. And in this video, this is part 74, I think. In this video, we'll focus on why the details are empty for any profile, right? Even the profile image is not visible. We had added reviews earlier, and in those also things were empty. So we'll focus on that and fix that issue. So I'll directly go to database, Rails C user.count 20. Okay, user.first.profile, and all these details are nil. Okay, user.profile, no. Okay, that's weird. We have exactly double profiles. That means for each profile, each user, two profiles are getting created. Let me try something like this. Profile dot find 2. This is also connected to first profile. That means third and fourth should be connected to second user ID. Yes, it is second user ID, but it is nil. Fourth is with data. Okay. This is a good blunder to have. So what is happening is that for each user, two profiles are getting created. The first profile is nil and second profile is with data. And we know that this data is coming definitely from seeds data. So we have to fix it somehow. First of all, we'll have to fix that only one profile gets created. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to models, users. We are creating this new profile, right? Actually, we don't have to do this fully. New profile if needed. Definition. Okay, so what we'll do is create profile. This by default is a Ruby on Rails function. By default, it provides us if profile is nil. Okay, so if profile is nil, then only we should create this. Okay, but this is an optimized code, but it won't solve our problem, because the first one is empty, which is getting created by this after action, and second one does have details, so we'll have to fix our database also. We are creating this profile again, right? So what we can do here is we can use our created user dot then profile, because by now, because this user was created, that means after create this was also called, that means profile was created with empty details. Now in seed data, what we can do is we can update it. I hope this makes sense, otherwise but because we are using user, so we don't need this user ID. And here also we'll do the same for random user also. Random user dot profile dot update. We don't need this ID. And random user dot profile, random user dot name. So this is what my theory is. I will have to reset our database and understand this, but the theory is as soon as user gets created, this empty profile will get created, and in our seeds data we'll use this update to add details. Will it work or not? Random user. We are getting the nil profile at this point. We are updating it with all the details that we want. We are setting the picture also. Let's try it out. Even if it will fail, we'll see this. Okay, we will have to close other instances. Rails db reset. I'm directly doing reset because we haven't changed the schema of database. We are just changing the default data. Will it work? Let me check this. Okay, at least the query is successful. Now we will have to check whether it has worked in our favor or not. Clear bin/dev, refresh. We'll have to log in again. test1@gmail.com, 12356, login, and it worked. Now we do have users with details. At least the picture is there. We will still have to check the details. Rails C user.count. If the count is same, I think we have fixed it. Both of these are 20. Great. So that means user.first.profile, and it does have all the details. Great. So this means this code is working, but we haven't tested this code yet. So what I will do is I'll create a new user. That means all the default profile will get created. No, I think it's fine. It won't affect a lot of things, but it's fine. And by now you would have understood. Okay, let me talk less here and show it to you. You have seen that there are 20 profiles and 20 users, right? So let's create a new user, test21@gmail.com, 12356, and login. Sign up because this user doesn't exist, and sign up. And now we have empty details again, but we do have a user.last. This is id 21@gmail.com. okay, user.last.profile, and this is nil. That means this create profile was working correctly. So this is again another advantage of Rails. Okay, so in next video what I'll do is, I think my work here is done in this video at least. So in next video we'll go to accounts, and in that we'll set up this profile page. Yes, yeah. So if you like this video, do consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Do like these videos and leave comments. Thank you. Bye bye.